Suzuki are proud to present its 1.6 litre Vitara SZT. The vehicle's finished in red metallic paint. It has the black roof, optional extra. The vehicle's in great condition with the bodywork and paintwork, as are the alloy wheels. The SZT has plenty of great features. Here you can see you've got speed limiter and cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity featuring voice command, stop-start engine for added fuel efficiency. The in-car entertainment features DAB digital radio, satellite navigation, Android and Apple CarPlay. We also have climate control with air conditioning and USB charging point for mobile devices. We'll take a look in the rear. You can see you've got good leg room for passengers. 3 seats, 2 of which have ISOFIX for children's car seats. As we move round, you see the rear tinted privacy glass, which ties in nicely with the black trim and black roof. Also features reversing camera. The vehicle would come with a full service and be given 12 months MOT before leaving. The Vitara is also 5-star NCAP safety rated